Hello everyone. I'm gonna show you how you can be able to do screen replacement in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As we can see here, I've already imported the clip in my timeline, and what we gonna do is just select the clip and then switch to the Fusion page. Right here select the media in one node, and then press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring this select tool menu, and now here search for Planar Tracker and add it. Make sure we're at the start of the clip. And then go up to the Inspector tab. Now from here, press the Set button, and now go back to the Viewer Monitor. From here, we have to draw a rough rectangle around our screen. Now go back to the Inspector tab, and from here, press this Track to End button. After the completion of this tracking, we're gonna go to the Media pool. From here get the new clip that we want to showcase in this screen. And now connect it to the Planar Tracker node. Now select the Planar Tracker node. Again go back to the Inspector tab, and now from here, we're gonna change this operation mode to corner pin. And now we've to adjust and align the new clip inside our viewer monitor to match the screen. Here we go. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!